It's pretty. It's so pretty.
Oh, you, baby. Oh, you. Okay.
Big Boomer, not the little. Get all the 5 stars you want, player. It still ain't gonna add up. Trap House. As we continue on, feeling like Parker Thune on this recruitment trail, player.
Trap House booming.
Oh, you boys, they my brothers, they my friends.
Boomer sooner.
Trap House. As we continue on the recruitment trail, the scouts down at 247Sports must be smoking the stickiest of the icky to not list 5-star Denton Guyer stud Jackson Arnold in the top tier quarterback grouping. Flat out, bro, Arnold is the crimson and cream of the crop when it comes to high school signal callers.
Okay, I see what you did there.
I find myself a bit hard-pressed trying to figure out what Arnold can't do compared to what Arch Manning can do. Where is he better at, bro? The level of competition Arnold has faced at Denton Guyer is a murderer's row, full of defenses that are littered with D1 commits. District 5-6A in Texas is hands down one of the best districts in the nation in high school pigskin competition. Compared to Arch, who's playing against a bunch of future accountants and bank managers in the New Orleans Catholic League. Elite 11 reigning MVP, 205 solid pounds, can climb the pocket, make every throw. He can even get outside the tackle box and make plays with his legs. The kid has all the tangibles and the intangibles any coach would want as the face of the program and locker room leader. Yo, Parker Thune, get your people in check at 247, bro, and tell them to lay off the hippie letters, because Jackson Arnold is top tier. Boomer sooner. Trap House.
The stickiest of the icky.